Check me out. I opened the box, looked down in it. They put the cover on top. First thing is the cover. I didn't pull it out. You see, I still got to cut the plastic. It's fresh. 40 series torque converter is huge. Huge. I'm not even using that cover, of course. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Hold on. Let's just bring everything up out here now. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got the belt. 40 series belt. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this thing's crazy. Yeah, 40 series is different. We just trying something different. We proved the 30 can do it. They said they wouldn't. 30 been on the GX340 for 3 years. This one was a GX390 in the Coleman. bt200. Yup. That's huge. Oh my goodness, look at this driver. Look at the driver. Look at that. Like seriously, compared to my hand. I could barely palm it. That's how big the 40 is. Whew. Oh my goodness, the big 40. Look, I'm getting happy, too happy. Let's see it. I seen they had on Amazon one with the chrome backing plate, but that plate's much thinner. What's on here? Oh, this is just some hardware. It's the hardware it come with. I don't know what tooth this is. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Also 12 tooth.